Hello, and welcome to this tutorial where I'll talk to you about linked images and graphics in InDesign. So far in InDesign, we've learned how to place or link an image or a graphic from Illustrator by drawing boxes and placing an image into them. But what you have to understand is that these are called links, meaning that when you've brought this image in, you brought it from a location. It could have been a folder, or it could have been on your desktop, or it could have been on a portable hard drive. But this image exists somewhere on a computer or a hard drive. It means that what we see here on screen, this image is linked to wherever that image is located. If it's located on your desktop and you place it into InDesign and then throw it away on your desktop, it will no longer be able to replicate this image because the link is missing. It will give you an alert sometimes saying that images or graphics used in the file have missing links, meaning that it cannot locate where this image is. If it cannot locate where the image is when you go to write a PDF or print it out, then this image will come out as pixelated and there's nothing you can do until you update the link in your InDesign file. So, under Windows, if you select Links, you'll get a link palette. Now presently in this file, all my links are fine and there are no alerts because InDesign knows the folder that I brought these from. I always recommend that any images that you place into an InDesign file be put in a folder with whatever the project is that you're working on. Don't leave them on the desktop or don't link them from your Downloads folder. If there were a problem with these images, you would see this little exclamation point appear, and it will be bright yellow with a black exclamation point. That means that there's a problem with the link, and if you click the exclamation point, it will then allow you to browse, find where the file is, and relink it. Remember, when you put a file into InDesign and you bring it from your desktop or from a travel drive, and then you remove it from the desktop or eject the travel drive, InDesign is going to know that the link is broken and you're going to have to relink the image by either placing the image back on the desktop, inserting the hard drive back in, or simply copying the image to the folder that contains all the information for your project. This is how we deal with links and their importance in InDesign.